I got this fan yesterday and it's put up today. It's a really nice looking fan. Uh, I believe that fan, it's a Walmart fan. It's a ceiling fan, actually. I will close my blinds because it's pretty bright in here. It may be a little dark. I'm sorry about it. It's just me. And I got this fan too. I bought it yesterday, actually. I bought it yesterday. I'll say about this. It's like it's a nice fan too. Let's leave the light on and turn it on high. It doesn't shake a lot at all. It moves out nice air too. That's medium. I'm sorry, I'm not. It's okay. That's light. It's kind of low too, but that's medium. And this is low. It's kind of low for you, but I get used to it too. The light. By the way, and that's my smiley face. This is a nice fan. And it's off. Wait till the blades stop too. I think I know I have two because I'm not going to stop with my hands. I'm kind of holding a computer too, not the camera. Slide again. Just wait till it stops. Oh, I may not hold it right. Could be holding it because I'm holding the computer, and that's the reason why. I could tell up there. Two. I bought this fan yesterday, and I got to put it up. I got to put up today. My uncle put it up today. I'll wait till it stops. And there's a right here. You can. That's high. See, that's high. Till the blades are there. It could look a lot faster in this camera, this webcam. There again is a light. Medium. Yeah, it'd be medium. This is medium. Kind of maybe a little. This video may be kind of. That's medium speed, and I'll turn on the low. Turn it down to low. Yeah, this is a very good fan because I'm excited to have one in my bedroom too. Yeah, this video may be a little dark. It could be a little. Let's just make it like that. Let's. And this is low. Anyway, this fan has 3 speeds. I wouldn't want to get larger fan because it might take up the whole room in my room too, because my room isn't that. I mean, it's a good size, but it's not like you put a 52-inch or 60-inch in here. I'm sorry, just. And this is off. And I got this. This is a switch. I'll show you how to do this, and I'll show you. I'll turn it on to medium. I got a switch for this. Oh, I'll demonstrate it right now. There's my bedroom ceiling fan. Hey, Grandma, just making a YouTube video. Okay. And this is into. You see how it's spinning? And this is this switch. And automatically turns it off. Or on, too. Or, yeah. It's a good fan. It really is. I'll watch the spin down time, too. When it slows down and stops. Spin down, yeah. It's a good fan. I really like this fan. Yeah. I don't think I ever had a fan for a while in my bedroom. A ceiling fan, at least. You can say not for a while. Like how this fan is too. I mean, this video may be not too, maybe a little back upside down or something. I'm not trying to. It's a good size fan. I mean, it's a nice fan. And that's about it for the video.